Hey everybody, it's David with 2-Minute Sneaker Reviews. Before I get into this great shoe, I wanted to remind you why we do 2-Minute Sneaker Reviews. We're not here to make you watch 10 or 15-minute videos just so we can make some money off ads. We're going to show you what you need to see on the shoe in 2 minutes and let you get on about your day. We're quick, we're efficient. Alright, here's the shoe. Comes in that really great box covered with vintage Jordan ads. You see this every now and then. This is a size 10. I got these as a personal pair. Wanted to show you the detail on these, so you can actually see the fur. Some people call these pony hairs. It's not really pony hairs. I'm going to show you why in a second. Obviously, you got a gum bottom. Love gum bottoms on a shoe. You got a satin tongue, satin liner, red Jumpman there. You got all kinds of different animal prints, from cheetah to zebra to leopard. You got some red eyelets right there. You got a Jordan Air pull tab on the back, sort of translucent. I would prefer, instead of the Jumpman, a Nike Air on the back. On the back side of the tongue, you have the word Instinct stitched on there, upside down as you see on a lot of Jordans. Red insole, white Jumpman, and I want to show you this. It says this shoe contains real fur. The fur type is dyed adult bovine fur from Brazil. So these are actually made out of cow hide. I had forgotten to do a review of these a month or two ago. I found them in the closet. Are you okay with buying a shoe that doesn't have a lot of hype, but you like personally? Me, I love threes. Had to pick up the shoe. Thought they were a cool look. You can get these now, a couple months after release, for less than retail. So is this the time to snag them? Or were you the guy that bought them as a personal pair when they first dropped? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Make sure you subscribe.